Managing your salary effectively is the key to achieving financial stability, building wealth, and enjoying peace of mind. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to improve your money habits, learning to allocate your income wisely ensures you're prepared for the present and the future. Let's break down a simple, actionable plan for managing your salary step by step. Start by creating a budget that works for you. Begin with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs include essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. These are your non-negotiables and must be prioritized before anything else. Next, take control of the wants category. This includes dining out, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Limiting this to 30% of your income ensures you enjoy life while maintaining financial discipline. If you consistently overspend in this area, consider scaling back gradually until it fits comfortably within the budget. The 20% allocated to savings and debt repayment is your ticket to financial freedom. Start by building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund protects you from unexpected costs like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden unemployment. Once your emergency fund is in place, focus on paying off high-interest debt. Credit card balances, payday loans, and similar obligations should be tackled aggressively to minimize interest costs. After clearing these, redirect that money into long-term investments like retirement accounts, index funds, or even real estate. Automate your finances to stay consistent. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts as soon as your salary hits your bank account. Automating this process ensures you pay yourself first and avoid the temptation to spend before saving. Track your expenses regularly. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize and monitor where your money goes. Seeing the numbers in black and white makes it easier to spot patterns and identify areas to cut back. Review your financial goals monthly. Are you saving enough for retirement? Are you working toward a major milestone, like buying a home or starting a business? Keeping your goals top of mind will motivate you to stick to your plan and adjust it as your priorities shift. Finally, prioritize skill development and career growth. Increasing your income through promotions, side hustles, or investments amplifies your ability to save and achieve your goals faster. Remember, managing your salary is just the foundation. Growing it over time is equally important. Taking control of your salary starts with a plan, discipline, and consistency. By budgeting wisely, automating your savings, and focusing on your goals, you can build a financial future that supports your dreams. Start today by reviewing your income and creating a plan that aligns with your priorities. Your salary has the power to transform your life. Manage it well, and the rewards will follow. Subscribe for more personal finance tips and insights to help you take control of your money and build the life you deserve.